Lance from ThetaTraders.com here. Just wanted to go over a 0DTE trade that I did today. Where the arrow is, I got filled on an Iron Condor at 0.7. I sold a call credit spread at the 57.40, black line up here. And I sold a put credit spread at the 55.75. So I did an Iron Condor, put credit spread down here, call credit spread up here, filled up 0.7. It was close to stopping out when we went up here, but then the market dropped down again, and I was able to buy back the contract at 0.25. This was a 10 whiff spread, so it needs 1,000 minus 70, needs $930 to do the trade. Let's look at the numbers here. I took in 70, subtract 25 because I bought it back, made $45 in profit, divide that by the 930 margin needed, and we made 4.8% return. So if you're interested in these types of trades, me and Phil is doing a joint 0DTE service. Links in the description down below, and you can join both of our 0DTEs. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.